This is the world's first alarm clock. It could only ring at 4 in the morning, and you can probably guess why. It was invented in 1787 by a man named John Joseph Merlin. The way it worked was that you would set the clock for the time that you wanted to wake up, and then a mechanical arm would wind up your bed curtains. And if you didn't wake up, the clock would keep winding them up until you did. But there was no snooze button, and I think that's an improvement. I mean, look at this thing. It's huge. It's like the size of a small car. And even though it looks like something that would be on display in a museum, someone actually bought it for $6,000. I don't know who you are, but I want to be you when I grow up.